Good morning, Collector. Your girl about to go to work. About to go to work. Y'all know I told y'all I need, 88.20 to get my new glasses. I'm already at 70. Boom. And I ain't have to suck no dick, lick no ass, or none of that. Cause me, I got many talents. And I work for what I want. Finna go cut this yard right next to me. And see, that's why I say God gonna look out for his woman. We ain't got to do all that hateful shit. None of that hateful shit. Illegal shit. Cause it's gonna come either way. As long as I know how to work for it, I'ma get it. Cause one thing I used to go after that crack like a motherfucker. And I hustle for that shit too. In the stove, cleaning people's hair or whatever to get what I wanted. You know, not to disrespect my body if I didn't have to. And that ain't gonna happen too much. Cause I ain't gonna sleep with too many motherfucking people. I ain't with it. I don't wanna sleep with nobody no way. When I'm trying to get high, fuck that. I don't even wanna be touched. So I'm gonna go out here, get on this lawnmower. And while I'm at, I'm just gonna do it, cut my own grass again. Cause this grass is growing, it's been raining so hard. So I ain't gonna let it get high at all. God bless me to have a lawnmower and a weed eater. You know, we used to be in prison and hot in the motherfucker. And we outside working in the goddamn field. Yeah, you roll that shit up, bitch, cause you about to bake like a potato. And it be hot. It ain't hot right now. Damn, this one don't act right. It don't matter, bounce to stay up anyway. I'll put a clothespin in that motherfucker. You heard me? Yes, hold on. I ain't gonna do too much to this head. Cause y'all know what? Y'all, it's sad that another man trying to take me out. A man for a whole year, he tried to take me out. Have other people work with him, but now they seeing they lied. Somebody lied, but it's all right. Everything they did to me, I overcame it. They poisoned me. I didn't even know I was being poisoned. Ain't that something? Hell, I should have been dead. But see, I didn't know. I trusted these people. Then for the nigga that I was fucking with, they brought in to fuck me over. Ooh, nigga. Bitch, you gonna feel the wrath of God. Yeah, you watch my page. They said it. You feel like a fucking idiot. Go get that bitch out of jail. Got other people to work with you. It's an old bitch out there about to lose her mind. Old bitch about to die. A Coven bitch. Some bitches in the Coven. In a church. I wonder what church this is. I do. Because it's a whole bunch of motherfuckers in churches dying and getting sick. Yeah. I see it. I see it. I know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Y'all listen to a motherfucking lie. Let somebody lie to y'all about me that didn't even know me. Y'all didn't even know me. Y'all try to prey on the weak. I'm not weak, motherfucker. I know how to take care of me. Listen to a retarded bitch. lie. So y'all gonna go use that shit. And y'all had some motherfuckers out of Louisiana that know that shit. But guess what? I know it too. Jesus. Now you got motherfuckers half dead, can't do for themselves. Yeah, people falling. And I don't like all that. I don't want nobody to get hurt. It ain't in my blood. I didn't know people could do this. I didn't know people was like that. And that bad thing about it, y'all, I didn't even know who I was. I didn't even know who I was. I didn't know nothing. I didn't know what was going on or nothing till I started listening to the voices that I was hearing in my head. And I was like, what the fuck? Okay. And that once God showing me certain stuff that I'm like, what the? Yep, that's what it is, sweetie cheaty. Then I knew he was real. And then I knew once I started seeing all these different animals like a bear. I seen a bear. Y'all ain't gonna believe that though. Y'all probably won't. I seen a panther too, right back there. A bear, right back there. A lion, right back there. And look, when I looked right, I said, that's a fucking lion. And I kept looking, and then it walked on out, and it was the cat, the color of the lion. I say, I know what I saw. But see, people go and say, this bitch is crazy. She need help. She need to be in the psych ward. That's the people that's making all these fake police reports and talking about she using magic and this and that when they the one doing it. But the officers know it's over for that shit. It's over. You know what? On Facebook, they be up under these stars and names, and they come out. God said, bless you today. I said to myself, I told that one girl, she told me, put in your cash app. I'm gonna send you. If I send you $3,500, what you gonna do with it? And then I said, pay some bill. And then she say, well, okay, if you drop your cash app, and then if I send, you tell me how much you want, and I'll send it, but you have to pay the $50. That's how she, for whatever, it's gonna be 50. Girl, I said, girl, fuck you. If you giving me a gift from God, just drop it on the cash app, bitch. Katana of cash app, KATONAOL. If you was gonna give, just drop that shit. I ain't gotta pay you to get that. Get your bitch ass out of here. Hoe. Dumb hoe. You know I got to always have some kind of protection while I'm out and about. Not really, because I got so much. Gotta get up. I already got my weed eater. I wake up like that. I ain't had no coffee. I wakes up crazy. Ew. Y'all Pierre still asleep. Y'all know what? It's an Alabama woman with shot. I just seen on the news got shot. Y'all, I got to open up my curtains. I like the sun to come in. Y'all hope y'all doing all right this morning. Y'all better wake up feeling, oh my. Oh, I thought it was drops of rain. It is, it's gonna rain, but it ain't gonna rain till tonight. But baby, I got one of them Propel lawnmowers. You just crank it up and push that motherfucker drag the shit out of you. If you're not strong enough to hold it, that bitch will drag your ass. I was like, ooh, I like this going on. I just, y'all know I'm crazy. I love y'all this morning. Y'all girl up in the back. Good morning, sunshine. How's you doing? Put these dishes up. I bet y'all say every time we look at her, she got dishes in the sink. I sure do. And they clean. My mama would never let me leave the dishes in the sink to dry overnight. Never. Yeah, I had coffee left from yesterday, so. Oh, shit. I left that in there. That ain't gonna do. My animals. That's why I don't never throw it away. That's why I don't never throw it away. I don't throw food away. I have lions, tigers, and bears. Y'all heard me. I have lions, tigers, and bears. Now you gotta put bleach in your dishwasher. Ain't gonna. I had these potatoes. Ooh, that water hot. Shit. Collect. Good morning, sunshine. How you doing? I got some motherfuckers out there. I'm mad. They made some fucking bad thing. Who got me some more hot on? They made a bad choice. Them hoes was poisoning me, y'all, and I didn't even know it. I was eating poison and all. Cause I trust people. But I don't eat everybody's food. That's a lie. I ain't want no breakfast right now. I drink me a good old cup of coffee before I get started. Charging up my weed eater. Well, I heard y'all. I'm finna feed y'all. Charging up my weed eater. It's pretty outside. Shit, what time is it? 7 o'clock? I got 2 yards. Mine and hers. When I get through, I'm gonna I'll be through. I'll probably be out there having a ball. Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna go outside. Hold them. My butt up. Ooh, I like a lot of cream. Yes, I do. Boogaloo. Y'all gotta go feed my birds this morning. I heard them calling me a while ago. I hope y'all have a good day. A blessed one as that. And I just want to say, To the karmics, I forgive all of y'all, but for me to feed into y'all drama, I ain't gonna do that. Cause see, that's what y'all want me to do. I ain't gonna do that. So, confirmation. Long as I don't do that, without doing, I have every right to. I have every right to. But God said, I got it. Cause see, I got that power. Love power. Talking about love power. Talking about that love power. Good old love power. Good old love power. See, only thing you have to do, the most strongest thing in the whole wide world is love. Love is like silver and gold, but like gold. Okay. I heard in 23333 say that love is like gold. Ow. Good old love power. Good old love power. And to that practitioner, that man is two man. Boy, did y'all try that shit? Well, I tell y'all what. Y'all gonna be some mad motherfuckers. I wonder if I do it like, No, I'm gonna leave it just like this. It ain't hot outside yet. So, I got to get my bread ready. Because I got to throw them some bread. Y'all hear me in a minute. I'm surprised. I get a red bird come to my living room every morning to my window. I'm going to give them 4 today. To my window. And I can hear them loud as day. Y'all, I know it ain't raining. Y'all. God said, nah, I'm going to let you make that morning. Y'all, I love y'all. But I got to start it. I'll hit y'all back after I get through. Deuces.